In this video, we'll cover a few different methods for migrating data between databases. First, let's transfer data to another database of the same type but on a different server connection. In this example, we'll use MySQL databases in two different server connections. The source database contains tables, views, functions, and events. The target connection doesn't have the destination database yet. To begin, click Tools, Data Transfer. Select the source connection and database, then the target connection and database. Click Next. In this step, select all the database objects. You can check out the advanced options in the Data Transfer window to customize the settings to your liking. To do so, click Options. The available options on the pop-up window depends on the source and target server types. Once you've made your selections, click OK to accept any changes, and proceed with the transfer process. Finally, click Start. As we can see in the target database, the tables, views, functions, and events have all been successfully migrated. Next, let's see how to migrate data to another database of the same type on the same server connection. Click Tools, Data Transfer. Select the source connection and database. Here, just make sure the target connection is the same as source and that you've specified the correct target database. The remaining steps are the same as in the previous example. Finally, let's look at how to migrate data between different database types on different server connections. In this example, we'll use MySQL as the source and PostgreSQL as the target. The process is just as easy as before. Click Tools, Data Transfer. Choose the source connection and database, then the target connection and database. Click Next. When migrating between different database types, only tables can be transferred. Select the tables to transfer. Click Next, and then click Start. We can now see that the tables have been transferred to the target database. Now, let's see how to transfer data to an external file, which can be useful for local deployment. Click Tools, Data Transfer. We'll use MySQL for this example. In the Target section, select the File option. First, enter or select the path for the output file. Next, you can choose to output the data in a format that's the same as your server, or uncheck that option and select a different format. In this example, let's select PostgreSQL as the output format and leave the encoding as is. Then click Next. Select the object to transfer and click Next. Click Start to begin. When it's finished, you'll have an output file with the syntax for the database type you choose. To learn more about advanced mode settings, check out our video on how to transfer large tables or a specific number of records. Thanks for watching.